First, I need to apologize for the quality of this video. This video was made in the year 2000. I was called on orders in front of the Minister of Safety and Security to explain my accusations about criminal crime schools. Now, criminal crime schools are divided into two phases. The first phase, approximately 3 months, which will be held in old schools, empty houses, ruins, and where they get a theoretical training. And after that, they move up to 80 kilometers away to the next area where they continue with the practical phase. After the notification of being on orders, which means I'm in shit and I need to explain, I followed up on information in the Eastern Cape, and we end up at this training school. And fortunately for us, there were enough proof on the walls that it was exactly the training school we were looking for. And then when we went outside to the bins, we also found documentation, military documentation regarding obstacle crossing with weapons, night movement, observation, counter-observation, a lot of military documents that were used in the training of the criminals. And that evening I emailed the video to my commander, which sent it in to the Minister of Safety and Security, and my appointment for the next Monday was then cancelled. And after that, the intelligence community started to accept that crime schools in South Africa does exist, and they are still existing as today. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry for the quality.